Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about a project. This one's a bit of a long shot. Okay, I'm not saying that this is going to be a 100x project or this is a hidden gem or anything like that. It's simply a long shot, but there's a couple of things that stack in this project's favor, and we're going to talk about that right now. Okay, so here we've got this graph here by Crypto Differ. It shows basically the top 10 tokens with a market cap of under 10 million. So why is that important? That's important because these projects have already launched. They're already on multiple exchanges, as you can see down the bottom. They're already, out there and they're established. They're not a scam. They're fighting their way to build their communities and build out their projects. Some of these are older coins. Some of them are newer coins. So this is a great opportunity for you to actually buy coins, these low cap, or they call low cap gems. And simply being under 10 million, it means that for them to double to 20 million, 30 million, even 100 million, it's very easy. Well, it's easier than, say, Ethereum doubling or XRP doubling or Cardano doubling. That's simply not going to happen. However, if you get into these altcoins with such a low cap, you can potentially make 10x in the next 12 months. Okay, being conservative. And you know they're not going to scam because they're already pretty established tokens. So the one we're going to talk about today is this one here. It's called AUCTUS, and it's got a 3.45 million market cap. It's gained 4,000%, and it's already on Balancer, Uniswap, Probit. So we're going to dive into that. The maximum supply is 65 million tokens. Circulating supply 38 million. There's not very much volume here, as it's only 31,000 volume. So this project has switched to a DeFi flavor now. So that's probably the biggest perk that it has right now. That it's adjusting, they're adapting. The team has realized that DeFi is one of the ways that crypto is growing, so they are basically put out a DeFi product. When this actual project started, it was an ICO in 2018, April 17th, 2018. It really hasn't done big gains. If you look at here, the returns, the returns have not been fantastic, considering the auction price was 8 cents and the price today is 8 cents. Okay, it did have a all-time high here of, let's have a look, $1.09. That was in May 2018, so basically about a month after the ICO launched. And since then, like most altcoins, they've either disappeared or they've just kind of declined. However, this project here, take a closer look at it, because like I said, they have now gone into the DeFi space, and they realize that this is the opportunity for them to expand and build their community. So they have got this guy here, Felix Hartman. He's an advisor from Hartman Capital, and he's one of the guys that is on the advisory team. As they build out, they've already got a couple of projects that they've already built, which I'll go through that in a second. So this is the website here, Decentralized Financial Applications for Everyone. We build decentralized financial applications to give you the most financial freedom. And these are basically the two products. Okay, I won't go into depth with them. This one's more like an options product for Ethereum. If we click onto this, it'll take you to their what they call ACO, and this is the buy and put options, where you can basically bet whether the price of Ethereum is going to go up or down. And if you're into options and you know how all this sort of stuff works, then this is something that you can engage in and make some money with call and put options. So there's obviously, they've got quite a extensive documentation on all this here. If you read their docs, they've got how all this works, buying, writing. If that's your thing, then this is a financial product they've already created. So that's one plus that I do like. So they've created this OCO or ACO, and they've also created this DPIGI. I don't know who chooses these names, but it's a no-loss crypto investing. Earn 2.8% interest on your DAI and buy crypto at your choice solely with the interest earned. So you basically deposit your DAI, you choose where the interest goes. Interest earned will automatically flow into crypto. Sit back and watch your portfolio grow. So this is 100% DAI. You connect up your MetaMask and you're off to the races. Okay, frequently asked questions and so forth. So this is like their first DeFi product. Okay, so they've got the two products there, which I do like, because you can tell that they're actually, not only are they a project that they're not just some sort of vaporware or anything like that. They can actually make apps that actually work. Okay, so here's the team, which they look like they're from. They look like they could be Spanish or Brazilian. Yeah, they're Brazilian. So I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce these names because I'll probably butcher them, but I'll let you go through them. They've got a team of 4 here, an advisor there, Felix. These are the DEXs they're on at the moment, all the exchanges: Bitfinex, IDEX, Uniswap, Bancor, Balancer, Loopring, and HitBTC. Their Discord is only small. They've only got like 150 people in the Discord, and then Telegram, they've only got a couple thousand. I tried to get in the Telegram before, but it did. I think they're creating a new Telegram. The link was not valid. So if we just go and have a look at, they've got this thing up here that says AUCTUS Liquidity Incentives. So if we click on this, this is their liquidity incentives, and they've got pools on Balancer. So they're basically giving out weekly rewards of 14,000 OCT or AUC. And if we go here, it's about 1145 USD. And you can, to earn this, all you need to do is just go to Balancer and basically just deposit Ethereum and OCT. OCT is, or AUC, you need 80% and 20% Ethereum. You deposit this into the pool, then you can farm this liquidity token and you'll earn this OCT that is giving away. Okay, you can also do it with OCT and USDC. Again, just come to the liquidity pool, add your liquidity pair, and you're off to the races. So this is the liquidity pair here. As you can see, there's not a lot here. So there's about 271,141 ETH and 2.64 million OCT. So that's how that works, and you can earn liquidity that way as well. This just shows you how to do it for those people that have not used balancer before. Okay, they got step-by-step instructions on how to do that and add liquidity. So this is the roadmap. This is pretty important. So they have, like I said, they have 2 financial products already, and they have the liquidity mining, which they just introduced, which is you can earn the AUC token. So this is really important. What's happening next? We are extremely excited to announce that several strategic investors throughout Asia Pacific region have purchased large quantities of OCT but wish to remain undisclosed at this time. Having them on board will be a key central to help AUCTUS grow across key Asian markets. Also raise capital, allow us to invest more in development and marketing. Our team is passionate about DeFi and believe the options will be the most important DeFi money Lego blocks. Okay, and it goes on a little bit about currently our on-chain options protocol is being audited by Open Zeppelin and leading blockchain infrastructure security firm responsible for performing security audits and power multi-million-dollar protocols like Compound and DYDX. And it just goes a little bit more on what's coming up, the option liquidity mining, the launch of governance dashboard and system, which will allow OCT holders to decide which assets they should be accepted on AUC, which new features of DeFi products, and long-term 2-layer solution improving trading experience, pool liquidity with automatic rollover and options and AMM pools, improve capital efficiency, this ACO ETH VIX ETH volatility index using balancer pool and structured crypto investment products. I guess the play with this one would be you're really kind of investing in this for the long term. I do like how they were an older project which have now created new financial products, DeFi products. They have a roadmap and they're looking at building out in the future, but the price has dropped. Like it's at our ICO price now. 2 years later, it pumped to $1, went back down. Nothing happened for a couple of years, and now they've started to rebuild the DeFi products. The total supply is 65 million. The price is 0.08 cents. You just have to look at it. Will this project? It's got such a small market cap that for it to double in price, it would only be like 7 million. Or for it to triple in price, it would only be 21 million. And in crypto, like anything under 20 million, it can easily double, very easily. That's what the call is. You got to take that risk. If you want to invest in it, do keep on watching it to see what happens with the team, how they progress in the future. Certainly, I'll keep my eyes open with this one and stay engaged with on Twitter with them, because I usually have updates on Twitter, which is probably the easiest way to keep up to date with these projects. And as they build out new exciting products and announce new things, then that's your best bet with this particular project, in my opinion. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. It is a low cap gem at the moment. Well, it is a low cap. I don't know if it's a gem. Depends on which side of the fence you sit on. But it has potential. Whether it reaches that potential, we don't know. Let me know your opinion. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.